Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by deciding one main message and one clear audience benefit. Define who will act differently after your talk. Limit slides to a single idea each to increase clarity and retention. Choose a 16:9 layout and set a consistent template for spacing and fonts. Pick 2 typefaces maximum and set one color for accents only. Plan timing so each slide receives no more than 2 minutes of talk time. Design slides for readability with a simple, consistent visual system. Use 2 fonts maximum and 1 accent color to create visual hierarchy. Keep lines short and use 24 to 32-point font for headings for easy scanning. Replace dense text with visuals like charts, icons, or photos to illustrate points quickly. Use color and contrast to guide the eye toward the most important element on each slide. Test readability. Deliver with confidence by practicing out loud with a timer and slides. Practice with a timer and aim for 2 minutes per slide to manage pacing. Start with a short opening hook that connects to the audience immediately. Follow the hook with 3 supporting points that each have one visual aid to reinforce meaning. Speak conversationally and pause between sentences for emphasis and breathing. Use deliberate gestures and eye contact to connect, while your slides provide clear visual support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.